Okay guys, so in this video, pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a mini lava lamp. So for starters, you're gonna need a glass container, for example like this one, food coloring, your choice of color, white vinegar, cooking oil, and your choice of antacid tablets. Alright, so for the first experiment, we're gonna do about half of the jar of cooking oil. That should be good right there. And then we're gonna do the other half of white vinegar to the jar. Next, we add our food coloring, about 4 or 5 droplets. We're gonna go with 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so for our final step, we're gonna drop the antacids. Remember guys, this is our first experiment. This is gonna be, the ratio is 50-50, 50 vinegar and 50 oil. Alright, so this is experiment number 2. This time we changed the vinegar to oil ratio. We used 1/4 of the flask for vegetable oil and 3/4 of the glass for vinegar. Alright, we're going to stick to the same 5 droplets. This time we're going to use red. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we're going to drop the antacid like we did last time. Alright guys, so as you can see, 3/4 to 1/4 ratio is not as effective as it is 50-50. I feel like, in my personal best opinion that I can give you guys, it's better to go 50-50 and you have a better effect.